Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Mike V, Power Hour, 3 p.m. I'm going to tell you, you look at stocks like this, they might have one more. They might, I've seen them. You got to be quick tomorrow. If they follow through, you got to be quick because this could be, it feels like a gap up in reverse. It feels that way. I'm telling you. Stocks, for example, like this, I'm in the goose. The goose is loose. The goose doesn't even have a lot of volume yet. God forbid, heavily shorted. It was in New York City last week. Everybody's walking around with this thing. There's the 50-day 1143. It's over it. I still have some goose. I posted it early. Next, freaking GTLB. How you doing? Jane Norm, the bull retired boomer. In all due respect, I'm hoping to get there. Trust me. Starbucks after the close. They're buying a lot of puts in this thing. People have bet. This is what Stevie Cohen's saying on the tape for those that are interested. I would expect owner of the Mets, Met fan, by the way, in New York. Not that it matters. I'm also a Cowboy fan, not in New York. Uh, what happened with DeepSeek is bullish for AI. I get it because you know what? Because prices are coming down. Software is the one that's going up. It's cheaper to make better models or analogous models. I would expect market top of the next couple of months if they haven't topped already. All right. As you see the flow here in my tape, Microsoft, Baba. Baba's making big news. K-Web chasing it. Baba, LVS, a minute. Google, BE. Look at the stocks that are moving, though. Let's look at percent gainers past 60 minutes. So, you know what? They top, right? I still think they might have a move in it. Cores, Oclo, they're squeezing some China. They're squeezing the names that are down the most. Tiger, PLBE, a minute. A-Lab, $7 bounce. NNE, $4 bounce. Percent losers in the last 60 minutes. What's going the other way? Nothing. Most active. Okay, let's get back to TGH in a second. Look at this. Appreciate it. We got to get Mick here because first of all, he's mixing OG now. Not gonna lie. Second of all, he's probably one of the better, if not in the higher percentile weighted traders in the room. It is what it is. I am at work. I'm working at a place called Great Yarmouth. There is a racetrack at 2 miles away. Steve Cawthon and Frankie to have raced there many times. Yeah, Stevie Cawthon. You know, fucking Stevie Cawthon. He was at my christening. Stevie Cawthon. Fat as well as he should be. Stevie Cawthon. Cores. Look at this. Microsoft off the board. Off the board. The freaking board into March. There it is. Microsoft Daily. Bullish for AI. This is the one. God damn. All right. Stocks that I'm in. What else? UNG to get filled. No, not close to UNG. My starter. Please go. First of all, I got to collect myself. Okay. I have 2 accounts open. Things are freaking ripping. That's bearish when I'm doing too much. I bet you Jeff chimed in. All right, Jeff. What happened? Did I offend you? I'm sorry. It happens. Not the first person I offended. I will ask Steve. I have a better chance of speaking to Frankie. She got injured. Right on it. Right on it. All doing the same thing. You know what I mean? I posted it. This is within 2 minutes. I follow shop. He's in shop. Whatever. Stocks I'm in. I think may have more juice. Let me get into what I have specifically. All right, because this is power hours. What I'm doing. Where is Jeff? Gerard is an apple. I hope you're taking some off here, G. Sure. Okay, Jeff. All right. Probably still on his own chat room while he's trading. AT&T at new highs. All right. Right, like look at that. Verizon. Stocks I'm in. I'm in MGNI. I might have chased it. I don't want to be wrong in this because this is one of these things that might turn into a position that it's marginal. MGNI, there's the daily. It has calls. It's got it in it. And let's go to the weekly. All right, I'll try it. This stock very easily, if the market goes through it tomorrow, a little short interest, not the reason to buy a stock. It's acting healthy, sexy. It's got 4 out of the 5 going for what I look for. Next, General Motors. I hope it goes down another 10%. The rest of the market will rotate instead of taking everything with it. That's bullish. Bullish. CCL. That's the weekly. They're all over it. NCLH, the 1A. We want to talk about Mick, and Mick knows what it's the 1 and the 1A. This is the 1A. Look at that. You know what? I don't know. I can't enter it here. I'm not going to lie. Now, am I hypocritical in that statement? The answer is yes, because if it has range, price, action, volume, the chart is not where it's been, it's where it's going. There's a lot sexier things I think I can grab with bigger size than having to work this trade if it goes awry. That's just me. CVS taking calls. No, it goes up every day. Every day from the bottom. At the two, a lot of these stocks. Another one, Apple. I don't know how much has it in it. Oh, actually, that pulled back like $3 in the last tick here. Oh, they're taking profits into this. Look at this bill. I saw this bill going. You know, what pulled up when would today the former Square XYZ bill. MGNI. What am I in? LUV. Okay, Boeing came down. Not having the strongest close, as actually kind of predicted this morning, but LUV is taking calls, which makes that looks like a good short. LUV. I mean, every other airline. How could you not like that thing? All right, let me get going here. A firm seller. Here's the list, what I'm looking at right now. Okay, let's look at this. Stocks. Percent gainers on the day. What are we interested in? I'm not interested in the stock that has 900,000 shares. Let's change it. Oh, I'm interested in this. It's got to have at least, normally it's 1 million, but I'll get a little thicker. Let's put 1.5. Okay, that's 15 million. No, Nevada, big turnaround near the high. Rigatoni, Wolf, Planeteer, couldn't keep it down. Sound, reversal, TQs, RNAS, AT&T brought it up. Cores, what about this? Percent gainer, 60 minutes. BE a minute. I gotta sell it. It's all over the place, huh? I just sold it when I came on air, this B. Check this thing out. It sold like 1,000. How did that happen? Right here, this red. Then it went to 2050. Now I'm gonna offer it out. 2061. Smart route, smart Tradeview route, that is, for those that are interested. Okay, how about this one? Got an interest in Zoom? Oh, what are you gonna do? Myrna spoke about it this morning with Coach. It was like 42. Here's Myrna. Vaccine situation, springboard. What else did I say was a springboard? Oh, I'm in Redfin. Look at Zillow. I blew that trade, but I'm in Redfin. Jeff, I'm in Redfin. Matter of fact, here we go. Live trade. I'm in a bunch of Redfin. Okay, I'll show you. We'll buy even another 2,600 Redfin market. Mike V. Breaking Redfin high, making a difference in a market cap. I literally broke Redfin higher today. You're welcome. Making a difference for the team. All right, stocks that are acting kind of weird. I don't buy short squeezes, but this Camping World. So taking calls. Another one, THO. They make campers. Camping World, Yeti, all these dogs. Nah, that's not good. All right, you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if there's a fade coming here. Royal Caribbean. all of a sudden, Upwork, they're taking up. Upwork. They're taking up the situation here of Upwork. How about Eric Mangini? I need this Eric Mangini to work big. I'm telling you, I think this could have something. MGNI. I'm not kidding, man. PDD sweepers freaking flying. Baba news flying. Baba news coming into it. BEKE. I sold it today. I can't get anything going in this thing. I've been battling BEK, this dog China, waiting for it to break out. Next, the ones to go to are Baidu. Actually, that's late. Zoom breaking higher. Zoom. SC breaking higher. Look at the chart on SC. This is going to work. I'm telling you. I'm in, my position. What is it? The freaking one I make 200,000 in. What's the name of it? JMIA. Can it work? Can JMIA break the two, sit above the 50 day? Because I'm going to tell you, the TradeGATEHub settings, position info. We got 200. You know what's good too? This other one. Listen, ego aside, the two cleanest trades of the whole board, or arguably of the board, have been this. FRSH, very clean price action. FRSH. What is the other one? SC, very good. Toast, very pure, clean ice action. Market's ripping. Planeteer, Lemonade. Wouldn't touch Lemonade with Jeff's money. IoT, they're taking calls. IoT breaking out. Everybody's. Where's the BE? They get filled? BE. Man, the market's freaking ripping here. Hold on, let me get into some questions. What is it, 314? I got done, right? I took a loss today. I took some losses. Oh Lord. Redfin. How are you gonna talk me out of Redfin here? I'll break it higher again for the family. Look at this chart. Weekly. Nah. Zillow. I had Zillow early and I sold it. Now I'm chasing the low. I had the best of breed early. Now I'm chasing the low floater. The freaking not a right way to trade, but we'll make an adjustment. Oh, our cat's up $1. Oh my God. I sold this. I sold a lot of this. I sold like 20,000 RCAT. The open, 809. I said it had nothing in it. It doesn't. This one's going. What's this? GRR. Don't like it. Boeing's breaking low. I got Frankie Dettori in the back of my mind. Frankie. Frankie! I'd take a loss in some of these things. TARS. What's the one we want to look at now? Mick. First of all, if you're not looking at TPX to follow through, I've been on the other side of this trade. Mattresses, the mattress sector. Look at that chart. I've seen this stock go up to easily 10. My God, I should buy it to take advantage of it, these poor people, but I'm not going to do it. I'll reserve myself. I'm a gentleman. And you. What else? Look at that chart. Bob is the one. Man, this Bob. How about CRISPR? Bob is the one. Bob is leading the whole China charge. What is this? Draws. That's it. What's the other one I liked? You like? What was it, Jeff? Mick. You get too many things. Zoom. This thing better work if I'm giving up buying Zoom here. This draws. What birds who like them? You know what? That's interesting. What's a symbol? What's a symbol? Draws. That's is 5 letters. Traws, I'm not buying a 5-letter vaccine stock. That's a freaking fact. I'll tell you that. Tesla going higher. SLXN. Can't do it. It's against my rules. You know that. No more $2 stocks. The goose is loose. By 4,000, the market goose will break that freaking higher. I just look at it. It just broke goose higher. The power. Look at goose. Net. Unstoppable. They're just killing it. I wouldn't, tomorrow they could just blow it out and pull and have the rug pull. Oh, man. Oh, God help me. Rocket Labs, I sold below. You're welcome, freaking Nick. Bob is going nuts. Still. Into the close. TRAW. Not bad. I do. No, I got you. I've been acting on too. I act on no. Las Vegas Sands is negative. Thank you. Thanks for the freaking ride, you butts. How is LV? Look at this LVS. And I'm stuck in it. We'll wait till they squeeze them. Hassan took calls earlier today. AAOI, red to green. Toast, RCL, AGQ. We're in that. So it's Goog. Apple, Netflix. They got to sell before this. VIX, VIX, VIX coming to the gapper. They're playing the gap. They're playing the gap. I'm going to sell some into the close. Vertex flying. Not in it. Hims, Toast is going. Birkenstock's going. Why not? Why not Birkenstock? They should take. That'll happen. Oh, Birkenstock. This is going to work. You want to know why? Skechers in the fund. Skechers. You know what? I'm buying more Skechers. A real man adds to Skechers. Viking Cruise Lines. Okay, this is an example, price action. Viking Cruise Lines. Viking Cruise Lines. Okay, so I was saying before, it was Boeing versus General Motors. So it was either Royal Caribbean winning on the gap up and keep going on earnings, or Vikings had earnings as well. And you buy it at the proverbial 50-day and you say if the best of breed is going and you make yourself 46. Now I should be on that. I should be on that. And I can't catch them all, but I'm going to think about that. Remember, it happened. Zillow. There's Zillow. I might have chased Redfin. It's all right. Spies. Gap. Ross Stores. Nothing. Fiven. What has earnings? All right, so we have ASML, General Dynamics, VFC, Corvo, FFIV. Can't do it. All right, I'm going to take some off here. Any questions? Is it for Viking Therapeutics making a late day move? This is a heavily sold one. But you know what? If you don't have a mark, I wouldn't be chasing here. That's the bottom line. You know what I mean? If you don't have a mark, take it lightly, work the trade. If it doesn't work or down open, you're going to have to schnitzel it. It's not that RCAT. I'll show you RCAT. Look at this. Executions. I let it go. I let it go too. RCAT. I literally. How much is this? 1,000. 2,000, 4,000, another 4,000. It's like 8,000. I had like 16,000 RCAT. I sold 807. It's 918. Why'd I take it? Good frenzy. I'll leave it there. Any questions? Listen, you know what I mean? The good thing is it's better trading. Zoom, I don't know if it works. Baba, don't know if it works. One of them's going to work. One of them doesn't. But you know what? They flip them quickly, man. With the VIX even down here, Airbnb ripping, Lemonade's flying, AAOI's ripping. I got to coddle the portfolio. All right, so I'll be in the room. NVMI. Walmart, IWM breaking higher into the close, so they'll rotate one of them. There's the IWM. Not doing anything special. You want to convert? All right, I get it. All right.